Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. They were all already abiding securely in the great teaching, and worked diligently to benefit all worlds. There were also innumerable kings of the heavens of vast results, led by such as Banner of the Delightful Light of Truth, Ocean of Pure Adornments, Light of Supreme Wisdom, Independent Wisdom Banner, Delight in Tranquility, Eye of Universal Knowledge, Delight in Use of Intellect, Light of Intellect sown with Virtue, Undefiled Tranquil Light, and Vast Pure Light. They all dwelt at peace in the Palace of Tranquility. There were also countless kings of the heavens of great freedom, led by such as Sea of Subtle Flames, Light of the Name of Freedom, Eye of Pure Virtues, Enjoyable Great Intelligence, Freedom of Immutable Light, Eyes of Sublime Adornment, Light of Skillful Meditation, Delightful Great Knowledge, Universal Sound Array Banner, and Light of Fame of Extreme Exertion. All of them diligently contemplated the truth of formlessness, and their actions were all equanimous and impartial. At that time, the oceanic hosts of the Buddha's site of enlightenment had assembled. The unlimited types and species were all around the Buddha, filling everywhere. Their forms and companies were each different. From wherever they came, they approached the world-honored one, wholeheartedly looking up to him. These assembled masses had already gotten rid of all afflictions and mental defilements, as well as their residual habits. They had pulverized the mountains of multiple barriers and perceived the Buddha without obstruction. They were like this because Vairochana Buddha in past times, over oceans of eons, cultivating the practices of enlightening beings, had received them and taken care of them with the 4 saving practices of generosity, kind words, beneficial action, and cooperation. And while planting roots of goodness in the company of each Buddha in those eons, had already taken good care of them, and had taught and developed them by various means, establishing them on the path of omniscience, where they sowed innumerable virtues, gained great merits, and had all entered completely into the ocean of skill in liberative means and undertaking of vows. The actions they carried out were fully pure.